Are we about to see an even bigger move from Terra Luna Classic? We know that we have the Binance fee burn coming on Monday, the first pull of the handle. Equally, there is so much more coming to Terra Luna Classic. We even have other exchanges wanting to do the same. I'm going to talk about it in this video. And right now, is Terra Luna Classic about to break out? Because it just broke a level of support I had on my chart. If that's something you like, make sure to smash the like button. Let everybody in the crypto world see this, and let's dive into this video. So right now, looking at the chart, you can see this 278 range that I had. We did just break that very, very recently, and we are trying right now to make a bit of a run. We're currently up 28049, just up 1% on the day currently. However, we have been trading sideways. We did have this massive spike early on in the day, all the way up to the 2.9 and beyond. We actually broke the threes, but money flow looking really healthy right now, and RSI is trending upwards, so we could see this push back up, heading towards this kind of 2.8 range as the next real level of resistance. Now, what was the big spike all about this morning? Well, as if Binance hasn't already done a big thing for Terra Luna Classic, we did get a USTC pairing on cross margin and isolated margin, and it says, fellow Binanceans, Binance has added USTC as a new borrowable asset on cross margin and isolated margin, as well as new margin pairs. And it talks about what they are. You can see there's USTC BUSD. The new isolated pair margin is the USTC BUSD. Please refer to margin data for the list of the most updated marginal assets and further information on specific limits and rate. And what this is, for me, is a step in the right direction. It's a bit of adoption for USTC. It starts to bring a use case and a bit of leverage for USTC. And we know ultimately long term this is about repegging it, bringing back that decentralized stablecoin back into the Terra Luna Classic ecosystem. So I, for one, again, see it as another step in the right direction. And Binance have been incredibly supportive of Luna Classic. Now, we know 34% of the entire volume sits on Binance, but ultimately we are seeing a lot of bullish moves from Binance. And I've always talked about this right back in May when I was talking about this. I think CZ has more involvement in this than I believe he is letting on. But again, when the biggest exchange in the world is doing things like this, the rest of them take note. And I do think we're going to start to see a lot more move, particularly as we see the volume increase. Again, seeing a significant bit of volume in Terra Luna Classic today. Potentially, what is that going to look like? We still know that hashtag Coinbase is trending on Twitter as you guys support that movement. And look, it'd be great to get Coinbase on there. But BUSD, USTC pairing, pretty interesting news that we have got that on there. What else have we got? Well, Upbit reveals plans to use the Terra Classic transaction fees. So again, following suit of Binance, Upbit could be doing exactly the same thing. And again, you can already start to feel a shift from some of these exchanges. They know what's on the table here. They equally know what's at stake, given the amount of volume that potentially this is going to go through. And we see a big move on Terra Luna Classic. We start to see this price move and the volume move and the burn indicator move, then everybody is going to want to jump on this. And I still think we're going to see Get.io, KuCoin, all of these, maybe even take this route, because we do know, disappointingly, it is going to be less than the 1.2% burn tax, but fundamentally, it's still going to be a pretty strong burn. And again, all that clumped together is really going to start to significantly burn. Now, you remember the video I did yesterday? I'll leave that down in the description. My prediction, between 70 and 75 billion Luna Classic will be the pull of the handle for the first week, which puts us at just under 900 billion at our current volume and price. Now, we will expect to see that volume go up as we see that burn kind of increase. So, and we start to see more exchanges come on board, then, you know, it's going to be pretty interesting. And lastly, we can see the Lithosphere blockchain to implement a burn 2.5 trillion Luna Classic in Finesse. You did hear that correctly. 2.5 trillion P2E game Finesse NFT collection drops on October the 1st. What does it mean? It says a few NFT launches have been eagerly awaited as Lithosphere joint art finesse NFT collection created by Kaj Labs expects an NFT collection to sell out quickly when it's launched on October the 1st. Private sales. It says the INO launch will take place on a variety of platforms that include Liquidify, Dare, Play, DeFi, and NFTB. And it talks a little bit through kind of what we're going to expect. It says here, Lithivia core developer Kaj Labs also announced that it'll implement Terra Classic as one of the networks in the upcoming cross-chain P2E finesse game. If Terra Classic is implemented in the game, all Luna used in the game would be burnt during the gameplay. To accommodate the burn, Kaj Labs will allocate $50 million to $100 million to burn up to 2.5 trillion Terra Classic in finesse games. So disappointingly, not all at once. That would have been absolutely insane. But again, we know we've already got meta rivals that have joined on there. This is another gaming project coming onto Terra Luna Classic. You can already start to feel a shift in projects coming back to Terra Luna Classic. And again, this shift into this burn element, as Binance has got it, we have some of the best advertising marketing right now, which is Binance and CZ tweeting all about the burn mechanism. But again, more things coming for Terra Luna Classic, more people talking about it, and ultimately the big word of the day is all of these burns. So we are going to definitely start to see Terra Luna Classic move significantly, I think, as we approach October the 2nd, that first pull of the handle. Excuse me, well, it's second into the third, we see that full burn, what comes on that, and then ongoing from that. It's a really exciting time to be in Terra Luna Classic. If you are excited as I am, please do me a favor, hit the like button. If you like this sort of content and you like keeping up to date with everything that's going on with Terra Luna Classic, don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you know every time we upload a video or go live on our live streams. But Terra Luna Classic right now, it's going to be pretty interesting. Lots more to come. Lots of little burns suddenly start to significantly add up. Remember, 70 to 75 billion is my first view of the pull of the handle. We start knocking the door of $5 billion volume. We're in for a big treat. That's going to do it for this video, guys. As ever, thank you for the support. Leave a like on the video on your way out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.